Let us take a look at this question. 10th. Solve the equation for x, y, z and t if this matrix is equal to this matrix. Right? This equation is satisfied. Now how do we approach this? Once again, we are supposed to simplify this LHS and equate it equal to the RHS. We can do it in two ways. One of the ways is you simplify this, you simplify this, you simplify this, then you add them together and make it equal to this. But since we are supposed to compare corresponding elements, at the end of the day we are supposed to compare the corresponding elements, why not do it directly? What do you mean by directly? Let me give you a glimpse. Shorter version of the solution. What you will do is, this is 2 times x, the first element. Let's focus on the first row, first column, this particular element, right? First row, first column, this here. So that here, that element would be actually 2 times x, right? 2 times x plus 3 times 1 is equal to 3 times 3. This is what I have, right? So from here, what I'll get is 2x equals 9 minus 3, which is 6, or the value of x would be 3. Just by comparing the first row, first column, this is what you'll obtain. Alright. So similarly, can I compare this, this and this, right? The first row, second column. Yes, I can compare that. On the LHS, you have 2 times z plus 3 times minus 1 is equal to 3 times 5. What you have is, this is 2z minus 3 is equal to 15, or z equals 18 by 2, which is 9. This is what you get. On the RHS, you will have 15 plus 3, which is 18, divided by 2, that is 9. The value of z can be obtained using this step, right? Very simple, yes. So let's compare element present at the location, second row, first column, at this location, over here. What do you have on the LHS is 2y plus 3 times 0 is equal to 3 times 4. What you have is 12 minus 0 is equal to 2y. 2y equals 12, or y equals 6. Or y equals 6. This is what you have, right? What next? Let's compare this element next. This is what remains. Let's try to compare this element as well. Yes. So this element would be 2t plus 3 times 2 is equal to 3 times 6. That's what you have in the RHS, right? So this is 2t plus 6 is equal to 18, or 2t is equal to 12. Implies t is equal to 6. T is simply equal to 6. That's what you have, right? T is simply equal to 6. And those are the values of x, y, z and t, as you can see over there. Right. Now this is one way of directly comparing the corresponding elements. This is what you can use, obviously. But in case you feel like solving it complete. So what I'll do is, I'll write the steps involved before this, right? In case you want that. So let's simplify this. 2x. You may observe that you will get the exact same thing that I've written over there. 2y, 2t. This is this matrix. Plus there is another matrix, 3 times 1, which is 3, minus 3, 0, 6. And what about the RHS? On the RHS, you have 3 times 3, which is 9, 15, 12 and 18. That's what you have, right? Multiplying this complete matrix by 3. This is 9, 15, 12 and 18. What you have in the LHS after this is 2x plus 3, 2z minus 3, 2y plus 0, 2t plus 6. And this here is equal to 9, 15, 12, 18. That's what you have. And after this, since you want to compare the corresponding elements, what you'll have is 2x plus 3 equals 9. 2x plus 3 is actually equal to 9. This is what you're getting over there anyhow, right? And that will give us x equal to 3. Is that okay, right? So after this, in this particular approach, what you'll get is 2x plus 3 equals 9. That's one of the equations. What will that give us? 2x equals 6 or x equals 3. That's what you'll be doing. Similarly, you can compare this element, the first row, second column, the second row, first column and the second row, second column to get the values of z, y and t correspondingly in that manner, right? X equal to 3. This is what you'll be getting. So is that all? Yes, that is all in this question. That's a complete solution. Let me get aside for a bit so you can take a look at the complete solution for this question over here.